What's up and good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if it's a little bit echoey. I'm here in the Rhino Ranch gym, and honestly this has the best lighting in the house, so that's why I'm filming, because well, it is dark outside. Man, this echo is really killing me. I wonder if I open a door, if that'll help the echo. Maybe not. All right, we're gonna stand in the doorway, and we had a party here, so that's why everything's kind of labeled where the bathrooms are. So as you guys know, my single cab OBS has been up in Northern California with the homie Paint by Jay. Now we're doing something super different with this truck. Obviously this truck needed a complete paint job, but instead of paint, we are using body liner. And for those of you that don't know what body liner is basically bed liner. However, the guys over at Body Liner, guys and gals over at Body Liner, figured out how to turn bed liner and take the strength of bed liner, but make it smooth like paint. And you can do every single thing you can do with paint and then some due to the strength of the material, but you can get the look of paint. And you're gonna see in this video exactly what we're talking about. And again, if you didn't see the first video, Jay has had the truck for a while. He's gotten it all prepped. And in this video, you're gonna start to see the color go down, well, both colors, because we're doing a two-tone paint job, and this thing is gonna look so freaking sick. Like the last time, there's gonna be a couple clips in the beginning that were filmed vertical, so just bear with me as we get through those. And then Jay switched over to a GoPro and everything got a little bit better. But with that said, I gotta give a huge thank you to Jay for even filming this, because he's probably finding out it is an absolute pain in the butt to film and actually work at the same time. So I do appreciate him doing that to get content for you guys, so you can see the process of this truck, because Jay is about 9 hours away from me, and it just wouldn't be possible for me to just stop by and film this thing. So without further ado, we're gonna jump to Jay and check out the progress on my single cab OBS.
Well, Friday night OBS is ready for body liner in the morning. Get the underside of this hood done, and we'll shoot the top next week. We want the top of that hood to come out really nice. Not gonna lie, this Harbor Freight stand come in freaking nice. Freaking first time trying this. See if it holds up. It's just a body shop stand flipped upside down. Gotta give it a final wipe down in the morning, but it's too late. I'm going home. Well, it's got the first color on it. This is a long day. All my batteries died. So we got the old iPhone. See a little pearl in there. This will get completely sanded all again, and then the white put on and then cleared again. So it's not as flat as I wanted it to be, but it's good to have on there for material. This whole truck is fully linered. I even did the OEM orange peel look on the bottom. Dude, I fucking love it with the gun. Into the rockers. I like it. It's really gonna look good with white. Not gonna lie. Almost like I do this for a living. All ranch trucks looking good. Crazy how dark it is in the shade. And you put light on it and it's freaking nice. Well, Sunday morning. It was a long day yesterday. I had to sleep in it. Parts outside. Gotta clean up the shop. Got a couple other projects to do today. It's all going black. All this is going satin black inside. It's all gonna get sanded down. Get it all doors back on, bed back on, so I can line it out for stripes. Yeah, it'll get sanded down, striped, and then re-cleared. Maybe sanded again and flow coat the whole thing with HD clear. And this whole frame, chassis, and everything's gonna go, like I was saying before, zero rust or pour 15. It's nice to pour 15 or zero rust. You just pressure wash this and it likes this stuff. Eats that alive. Then leaves it a nice chassis black. I'm sure Rhino's gonna put some new shocks and, you know, a little bit of upgrades here and there. Yeah, I'd rather work on one of these than the new one. Alright, get this bag off. Nice chassis black. Nice chassis black. The light bezels are already fully stripped. It's satin black. How about these tail lights? Dark red. They look dark in here, but they're not as dark as... Okay, get this thing moved. Yeah, 69L Chevelle gets a full-blown paint job. Two-tone with stripes, vinyl top. It's gonna get a built chassis, LS with a supercharger. Okay, we're gonna get this thing taped up. Come back later tonight. Gotta go home and get jack stands, take these wheels off. I don't want to spray it with these wheels on. Get this back all taped up. Maybe get these little wheels polished up before I put them back on, too. Almost about ready. exhaust. I'm sure Rhino's got a plan for putting another exhaust on. Still gotta clean this up. Okay, got her all taped up on one side. So this will be white, then the gray, then pearl white. But tape up all the jams real nice so it doesn't look half-assed. The back of the cab I gotta finish taping. It's gonna go in quite a ways, but I can't move the bed. I got the bed set where I want it. Alright guys, got it all taped up. Get some white on this thing. Can't wait to see this two-tone. This is step 2, star white pearl. I had to break up the powdered pearls. Powdered pearls always settle on the bottom, but I got to get this stirred up pretty good. I'm still waiting a little bit for the white to be ready. Stuff's very settled. Wish I had my shaker here, but I don't. So cool little trick. This little rim in here, you poke a little bit of hole, the paint will go back in the sink instead of overspilling. Kind of a cool old school trick I learned. Didn't work out too good. Gallons are really hard. If you're a painter, you know, gallons are hard to work on. See it. I think it's only going to get one coat. Okay guys, the pearl's on. I've been spraying pearls for a long time, and this one is like effortless. And I'm not getting paid by BODYLINER to say that, but this is probably the easiest pearl I've had to ever lay down. So I gotta wait a little while, then I can pull all this tape, and then I can clean up my bleed throughs if I have any. I doubt it, but you never know. You can always have a little bit of mistake as long as you know how to clean it up. I like it. I don't think Rhino is ready for this truck. Definitely ready for the ranch though.
Now that's as much as I'm gonna show you guys in this video, and I'm actually gonna give you one little sneak peek of what the truck's gonna look like, but you're gonna have to wait for the final review to see the whole thing come together. So let's cut you a little sneak peek right now.
Hey guys, I couldn't wait. What y'all think about that?
And man, I hope you guys are as excited as I am to see this truck. I mean, I practically forgot I owned this truck. It's been a hot minute, but this thing is gonna be probably one of the coolest trucks we have done so far. And I say we, I mean, Jay's doing all of the work. And all the behind the scenes work that the folks over at BODYLINER have done for us and getting us all of the material and just kind of really making this happen. So I gotta give a huge thank you to them as well. But we're very close, guys. We're very close to that truck being finished and back in my possession. And I cannot wait to show you guys. I may have seen some sneak peeks of what this thing fully looks like, but I haven't seen it completely done. I think Jay's kind of hiding those pictures from me with all of the little details that he's putting into this thing. So with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.